we are going to study about a few servants of God who have done this intercession, which is written in the Bible. Intercession is nothing but connecting yourself with the problem of others, or to identify yourself with others' problem, or to understand and do things for those people, to find them the solutions and to help them overcome that problems. When we identify ourselves with others' problems and others' conditions and others' pain and sufferings, we will start doing intercession for them in prayers. We can find this time of intercession in many people's life in the Bible. But today we are going to study about the life of Daniel. In the book of Daniel, 7th chapter, 28th verse, it says, "Here is the end of the matter. As for me, Daniel, my thoughts greatly alarmed me and my color changed, but I kept the matter in my heart." This man, Daniel, is doing an intercession, and he says his thoughts greatly alarmed him and his color changed, his countenance changed. Look how much he took it inside himself. His countenance, his face, his colors changed. Intercession is just not by words, but intercession changes the way you look. Intercession, it impacts your life. And it says, "But I kept the matter in my heart." When Daniel knew the issue, his face changed. A person of intercession connects himself with the problem. He will try to identify himself with others' pain. And in 10th chapter, 2nd and 3rd verse, it says, "In those days I, Daniel, was mourning for 3 weeks. I ate no delicious cheese, no meat or wine entered my mouth, nor did I anoint myself at all for the full 3 weeks." He says, no delicious, nothing that is pleasant to his taste entered him. And he says, no meat. He was not mindful of meat. He doesn't want to entreat his body with good meat. He wanted to stay away from good things of his life. And he also says, "And no wine entered my mouth, nor did I anoint myself at all." He tried to identify himself with that pain and the problem that he saw. And he says he never anointed himself for full 3 weeks. Look at the commitment of Daniel. Not only his face color changed, not only his countenance changed, but also he kept it inside his heart. He took it inside his heart. It was just not in his mind, but inside his heart. He pondered over it. He tried to make supplication, prayers for it. And he says, no delicacy, no meat, wine entered my mouth. And he anointed himself. Neither did he anoint himself for all 3 weeks. That is the commitment of a person who wants to intercede. That is how a person of intercession is seen. He sacrifices. Not only he sacrifices, he does everything to get an answer for that. Not only that, he does everything to get an answer for it. He doesn't desire anything for himself. He wants to do everything possible to identify himself with the problem and get a solution for what he's interceding. Today, if you want to do intercession, today I would encourage you, let us devote ourselves. Let us find and learn lessons from the life of Daniel. I'm sure the Lord will answer your prayers, and the Lord will heal the land, and the Lord will bring His glory upon this land and the things that you pray for.